look, they're fishing. The birds.
And when we're up here in the swift water, you want to make sure you've always got a good, no, that old bird got him one. You want to make sure you got your feet on the deck, good and solid, okay?
Okay.
Mike, you think we ought to close that front gate or not? I believe I'd feel a little more, because up here in this kind of swift water, it gets kind of shaky. So I think Chris is going to come up and put the line in for her. She's got him. She is getting this old boy.
He surprised me at first. But then I got used to him.
Don't put no slack in your line there, huh? When you go down, keep it tight. There you go.
Our very first diver. He's a good one. He's a good one.
Yeah.
How about that, huh? Now hold on, just let's get the in between the fins there. There you go. There you got him. That's the way. You can tell she's a fisherman. And she is whipping this guy, buddy. She is getting him in.
Going under the boat.
She is getting him in.
What is a big cat?
It's a cat.
Man, that's huge.
I am the catfish king today.
Look at that thing.
Yeah, this is a whopper of a cat. This is a whopper of a cat. You gotta have your finger.
This is a blue catfish.
That is a blue catfish. You're exactly right. That is a blue catfish. Got her another good cat.
And the catfish queen today.
Put him on that boat grip. Let's get a picture of that one since she caught so many of them. Fat belly. That boy is.
Ew. His mouth looks weird.
Hold him up there good and high. There you go. There, you're doing a good job. You got him. You got that rascal. What'd you get him on, Chris?
Jig.
Jig? Tell you what.
About time, ain't it?
Hardest we've worked today.
He was real, he had a lot of energy when he first started out.
He was a long ways out there.
He's starting to calm down now, but...
Is he? Yeah. You keep pressure on him. Keep pressure on him. Once you let the pressure off, he'll spit that jig out. Just keep working on him. There you go. You're doing it. You're getting close now.
Where is he?
Not out there too far.
He's still got some energy left.
Yeah, he does. He's kicking, isn't he?
Okay.
And if you zigzag back and forth, the separates. The separates can't get it. Captain Olivia. Well, Olivia, you want to do it again tomorrow?